We're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've secured this brand new 2024 spec full-size Range Rover Overfinch with a Starline Pro. So if a thief copied this key, done a relay attack and went to steal the vehicle, it's going to start up, but as you'll see, as soon as they put it in gear, the vehicle's going to cut out and they'll be unable to drive it away. There we go, vehicle stalled. So for the customer, what they're going to have to do, they can choose from the optional tag, which this customer's gone for. They can pair their phone, or they can use a code. So if they don't have their phone, they don't have the tag, they'll start the car, pop their code in. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3. Here at disarm tone, we can select our gear and the vehicle remains running. If we pop the battery in the tag, now with the battery in, if we just start the car, you hear it disarm straight away. We can select our gear and drive off. We'll just pop it into gear again. As you can see, vehicle doesn't stall out, we can drive away. The customer can also pair their phone, which works in the same way as the tag, and if they want to take it for a service, they can just use the tag, press and hold. As you see, we have a green light. If we keep it held, it's going to go solid, start flashing rapidly. We'll let go. We receive 2 bleeps in the vehicle, and now this is a normal car, so just hand Range Rover the keys when it goes back for a service. The car's going to be able to start up, go into gear, not stall out. It's a normal vehicle. It's as if there's nothing fitted to it, and we can drive away. Obviously, Range Rover can service it, move it around their workshop and so on. When you get it home, you're obviously going to want it secure again. So to do the same process again. Press and hold. Light will go solid. When it flashes rapidly, we'll let go. We get 2 bleeps. As you see, this tag's now turned to green. The system's armed, so when we start it with the tag in range, we hear the disarm tone and we can drive off. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and it's a brand new 2024 Overfinch Range Rover. Thanks for watching.